Mag-install naman tayo ngayon ng ating C++ compiler. Open natin ulit ang ating Chrome. Click natin itong download icon. Click natin yung ating installer. Okay. Click next. Hayaan lang natin itong ating installation folder. Click next. Next. Okay. Let's wait na matapos yung ating installing MSYS2. This is just the part 1 of the compiler installation. Okay, be sure to click this checkbox, Run MSYS2 now. Finish. May lalabas tayong command prompt. This will be the part 2 of our C++ installation. Open natin yung ating Chrome. And then, dito sa item number 4, highlight natin yung pacman-s up to the toolchain. Copy. Paste natin dito sa prompt ng ating command. Okay. Hit enter. Enter again. And then type Y. Hit enter again. This will be the part 2 of our compiler installation. Okay. The part 3 will be the checking kung properly installed ba ang ating compiler. Open natin ang ating Chrome. Okay. Then browse natin pababa. And then look for check your MinGW installation. Copy natin itong GCC version up to GDB version. Copy lang natin. Then we can close this window. Then sa ating search bar, type command prompt or simply CMD. Hit enter. Paste natin dito yung GCC version na ating kinapi. Hit enter. Okay. Kapag ganito yung lumabas sa inyong window, we are now properly installed our C++ compiler sa ating machine.